Pages on the internet don't last forever. Some disappear overnight without warning. So, how do you re-access this information? You need a Webcache viewer. It's a tool that helps you recover backups or snapshots of websites. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's go through some of the best Webcache viewer tools to help you turn back time to find missing information. Use a Chrome extension. Google's Chrome extensions are programs you can install to your browser to change its functionality. The Webcache Viewer Chrome extension makes it easy for you to view a snapshot of the page you're visiting. This is useful if you come across a 404 error and want to revert to the older version to see the information. Use Google Search to find cached pages. Each time Google crawls a web page, it creates a backup which becomes part of Google's cache. Keep in mind that you won't be able to navigate to other pages on the site. If you do, it will take you to the live version. You can also access the live page by clicking on the current page link at the top of the page. Use the address bar in Chrome to find cached pages. If you have the Chrome browser, you can use the address bar to get the cached version of any URL. Open the Chrome browser, type cache in the address bar followed by the URL. The cached version will load and you'll have 3 version formats to choose from with the Google search method. Use the Archive Today Web Cache Viewer. Archive Today is a time capsule for the internet. It takes a snapshot of a page and stores it forever, even if the original disappears. The site saves text and graphics and will give you a link to the unalterable record of the web page. For more information, visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.